In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, delete, and edit LinkedIn job alerts. Whether you're actively searching for a new career opportunity or just keeping an eye on the market, setting up job alerts on LinkedIn can be incredibly beneficial. So let's dive right into it and make sure you have everything set up just the way you want. To get started, first, go to LinkedIn by visiting linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll want to sign in. You have a few options for this. You can log in using Google, Microsoft, or simply by entering your email address and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you'll likely need to verify your account by entering a code sent to your phone number. After you've logged in successfully, take a glance at the top menu of your feed and click on the Jobs tab. This is where all the action will happen. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a section for preferences. Go ahead and click there, and then select Job Alerts. A pop-up menu will appear. Look for the pencil icon in the upper right corner of this menu. Clicking on the pencil icon will allow you to customize your job alerts. Here you can create new alerts, edit existing ones, or even delete alerts that you no longer need. This is all about making sure that the notifications you receive are relevant and tailored to your specific career goals. Now, when you're setting up or editing these alerts, it's important to adjust the alert frequency according to your needs. You want to make sure that the information is coming in at a pace that suits you without overwhelming your inbox. Also, decide how you'd like these alerts to be sent. You can choose to receive them via email, through LinkedIn notifications, or both. If you decide a particular job alert is no longer needed, simply use the delete button provided. This way you maintain a clean and organized alert list, focusing only on the opportunities that matter most to you. Once you've made all your desired changes, make sure to click Save. This step ensures that all your hard work in setting up these preferences won't go to waste. For those who might be interested in taking a break from LinkedIn altogether, perhaps to focus on other priorities, you can navigate to Settings and Privacy under the Jobs section and look for the option to Hibernate Account. By clicking on Hibernate, you'll temporarily deactivate your account without losing any data, ideal for when you plan to return later. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the know-how to manage your LinkedIn job alerts like a pro. Thank you for watching, and happy job hunting.